Good morning, everyone. It's January 24th of 2025, and we are going to review the four ETFs. I am going to do a better job of trying to get this video out there in the morning because it really looks like more and more people are starting to watch these. I'm going to try to keep them as short as possible, less than 5 minutes, but let's get to it. SPXL. SPXL, as you can see right now, we have been running 5 days above the 10-day moving average here. And what's so interesting about it is that when you take this, you can see that we had a previous high of roughly right here, okay, right there. And for the year, we're still inside, the quarter we're inside. Now, this is where things get interesting because in order for this to take out this two bar right here, this price action has to come back through and become a three. So this green two eventually has to become a three. We have 6 trading days left in order for them to do that for the month. If not, just keep in mind that we are set up for a possible 222 rev back up for February. Now, on the week, we went 322, and we do have an actionable signal back to the upside. And also, we're above the 10 moving average right here. And for those of you who are new, I use the 10 moving average on every time frame. That's my own little twist in the market. And it is a simple moving average, not an exponential. That's what the green line represents on all these time frames. I really believe that anytime that we're above the green line here, we are very healthy. And you can see how the market had to take out the previous low right here. And then the moment we did that, we went right back up. So the question is, do we broaden and take out this previous high and then pull back like that and then run higher? Or do we just continue up? The market can do whatever it wants, people. This right here, this A5, don't don't use that as a reason to start doing stupid. It's just a guide. It's just a guide. I've seen this run for 20 to 30 days without pulling back. So keep that in mind. All right, so that's SPXL. TNA, same kind of analysis right here. You can see we had this huge pullback, and now we're bouncing and trying to uh, rest right in this area. So it wouldn't shock me to see this to go back up. I've been in this position quite a bit, as you can tell. And then TQQQ, they tried to take this lower yesterday, and I tried a few shorts, still in them. But if we have a follow through day, I'll have to admit that I'm wrong and get out. And what that looks like here is 88.39. So you want to change this to 88.39. Now the reason for the 88.39 is because that will signal the 222 rev on the daily back up. Still inside on the year, still inside on the quarter, but just like SPXL, we are set up with a very similar setup. Let's see, UDOW inside year tried to go two down on the quarter, and you can see that we have this nice, beautiful hammer that's possibly setting up if we close, which we have 2 more months here, a possible 2-2 rev going back up. But look at the buyers come in off of the 10 on the month here and off the week. This is why I love to use the 10. This will happen to work out that way. Is this the holy grail that everyone's searching for? No, absolutely not. It's just an indicator. It's just something I use to trade around the market. But what I do like is that UDOW came right here. We had the reversal. We gapped up. We paused for a day, and then we exploded right back to the upside. UDOW could get all the way back up here. So out of the four ETFs that we have, just keep in mind that TNA right here and UDOW right there and Qs, they have the most room to run to previous high magnitude. SPXL, we're almost there. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please uh, leave a comment or a reply. If you haven't subscribed to the Discord server, please do so. It's free. I've never once charged a dime for it. And if you haven't hit the like button on YouTube, please hit the like button. It helps the algorithm. And then also please subscribe. That's it. Trade them all.